to the beach today.
Morning.
It's gonna be a pretty long drive. Luckily, neither of us are driving. I can't. He gets to sleep on the ride there, so it's gonna be a good day.
What's up?
Doing YouTube today, that's what this is.
Oh yeah, come on.
Let's go, baby. Alright, we're on the way. We're going.
I'm munching, bro.
He's munching over here. It's tough. 2-hour ride.
I don't know if that's the case.
Rainbow Road. Look at the head POV, baby.
You can't like turn. Oh, actually no. It's so much good on camera.
It's pretty tough, yeah.
I wonder how the camera shake is, you know? Because it's on your head.
Well, I have a thing for my camera where it'll stabilize.
Like a gimbal?
Not as good as a gimbal, but it'll stabilize.
Oh, okay.
You ain't done with me yet.
Round one, fight.
Still on the road, doing all of it. Our boy fell asleep. We've been on the road. This traffic is crazy. Look at this map. All that red. We've been going for like 3 hours, basically. I think it's almost been that long.
Yeah, because we started at what, 9?
9 something. Bro's still sleeping. All right, we're at the ocean. I think they're doing construction or something, but
They're always doing construction.
literally always. It's so beautiful. Oh man. It's the tunnel. Oh, we're about to leave it too, I think. I don't know, but is this underwater? Or is this just a
This is underwater.
this is underwater? Yeah, baby. Underwater tunnel. Alright, now we gotta go in like a video game where we swerve past all the cars. I'm just kidding, bro.
That'd be crazy.
That'd be tough. I see the light. I see the light.
Secret tunnel.
Secret tunnel.
Through the mountains. Secret.
It's the light. We're at the end of the tunnel.
We made it.
Let's brightness. We're alive. We made it
Screen.
through.
Readjust your brightness screen
Yes, sir.
so I can see what you're.
Michael's awake. We finally made it after 3 hours. We're at a charge here. About to be there in like 20 minutes, maybe. Virginia Beach, baby. Here we come. Got our food, baby. Let's go. Well, I dropped my phone.
Phone eats first.
Never. Never. Oh, baby, it's a triple. We're almost there.
Oh, baby, a triple.
6 minutes. 2 miles left. See the beautiful ocean. And we made it. Parking garage. Bada bing, bada boom.
Going or
Bada
what?
bang.
What are you doing, big dog?
He's focused. He's locked in right now. Hold on now.
Oh, do I need to get a credit card out?
We've made it. Uh-oh. 37th Street, we're here. They're here. We're here. Gatorade.
I got a bunch of waters.
I have like 2 waters.
Oh, we gotta get spike ball. Guys.
Where's Spike Ball? I got you. Spike Ball! I got the bag. Is that all it is? I think so. Did I close it right? I think so. Is this it?
Yeah, that's it, bro.
Bet. Let's go, baby. We're here.
Yeah.
Meet you guys down at the beach. Here's the view. Drop my phone. Oh, it's crazy. A crash already. Hey, what are you thinking, bro? Music video out here? Yes, sir. It's kind of tough, bro. No hands and recording. I'm so glad about this. You have no idea, bro. Fanboy. Oh, we forgot the soccer ball. I'm not trying to go all the way back. And volleyball. Oh wait, that's a ball for the spike ball? Oh yeah. I hope it's at the perfect level. I believe it is. Can you see that through there? Oh, my bad, bro. I'm just living. I'm living in the moment, dog. I'm living while I'm recording, bro. I'm focused. Well, I'm living while it's recording, so that's why I'm not hands.
Josh, what's up?
That's funny. Wait, you live, I assume?
fed.
Growing up and living life on the edge, stuck in my mind, laying out on my bed, got butterflies, thinking of the words you said. On the thread, far from dead, look ahead, live instead. Yeah, he bled from my heart from the start. Call me art, topping charts in the dark.
Topping charts in the dark, ride my wave, no art. Gotta learn to play my part, painting pictures with these words like Mozart. Okay, I'm with it, the odds in my favor scales tipping. Different, only cause he said that I was gifted. Hidden, the best thing you never knew, get it? Think it's time you see it, get the scales lifted off your eyes.
Off your eyes, but some flies in disguise. There he tries, but he fails. God prevails in my mind all the time. Overdrive, feel alive. There we strive, made of words with some food, taking turns.
Yeah, running back and forth is really as simple as that. A lyrical genius, believe it, okay, I gotta stay on track. Because I'm running last whenever it comes down to these raps. More than music when you hear it, okay, now tap into the passion.
Tap into the passion.
All bark, no bite, you don't really want it. A-top, put it charts, we ain't looking for it. Ayy, opposition, homie, we ain't running from it. We the type of people they ain't never see it coming. Okay, big dog status, nope, passion got me driven, yep. Call me the man in black, I'm out here Will Smith and I'm in nobody. Get nobody trying to make a difference. If everybody's different, then tell me who's really different. Take my time with it, no rushing, that's silly youngin'. Flow is kinda crazy, you sure?
And the socks are coming out, yeah.
Did you say you call it?
They're tough. Those are tough. Are they just like hot sand, probably? Oh man. You do the swinging thing?
I don't see you though.
Yeah, I got you.
We're like right by the ropes. We're right by the ropes. Just wave at us and I'll...
Absolutely. You got that.
Yeah?
Brute strength. Yeah. You think I can do that? Here, let me try. Let me try and brute strength this.
Okay, y'all, I see
Nah.
Hold on, man. I want to try this out real quick. Everybody has to try it.
Boy did that.
Yeah, like
I'm just gonna drop my stuff off first.
I don't think there's. Yeah.
You gotta use your feet, dog.
I don't think I can, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. Use your feet.
Dude, the other guy over here video.
Alex got it. That's just got it.
You gotta lock it onto your feet or something like that. Hit the top. Hit the top of the bar. You can slide down.
Dude, you definitely can do that.
Definitely. They're over there, what you said? This is calisthenics for real. You guys don't mind me recording, do you? Nah. You don't mind me recording at all? I bet. Thank you. Oh yeah. Where are my manners, dog? Nice to meet you.
Morgan.
Morgan, Tristan. Nicholas, right? Tristan.
Yeah, we set it up. I'm gonna put some sunscreen on.
And you,
Heard.
grab the other side. Grab a bag. Put it.
Right. Tanning is the way to go. I think I'm gonna take this off for now, bro. All right, look at this man. Playing some spike ball over here. Good game, right?
That was a good game, bro.
Good game.
Got him next time for sure. Easy.
100%.
I mean, we won him the first time.
Are we same teams or switching?
Yeah,
okay.
It was even. It was even.
It was pretty even, I'd say. Come back for round 2, but I'm gonna go put this phone up so
Yeah, I didn't get Sandy.
it didn't get sandy. How was the game?
It's the best, man. Beach spike ball. It's the best thing to do. Best thing to do at the beach.
Fun
It's
game.
fun. Good workout. And fun time with the boys.
Yes, sir. That's tough, man. How was it? How was it? How was the game?
It was good.
It was good. Look at these children playing. They were told they can't build here. What are you guys doing? You guys can't build there.
Doesn't know.
That's too deep, bro. We're done with the beach today. How'd you think of it today?
It was good.
Good, fun. Michael. Probably gonna be a little sore tomorrow for sure, but
Dude, I didn't hurt myself at all. Y'all were.
played a new game, spike ball. I had to run it up again, but somewhere that's not like painful. You know what I mean?
Oh, what do you mean?
Somewhere that's not gonna like break our bones for me. Oh, I see. I took a shower.
Get home at 8:16.
8:16, and we got some manhunt going on, baby.
And now we gotta stop the charge again. At some point.
Do we? Do we? Okay.
We do.
And conversations that we had about how to be a good husband to your wife. Be a good.
Is this it?
Turn your volume up.
Wait, let's see what the track is.
Bro made this.
Who you know producing tracks on a Tesla? Who you know producing tracks on a Tesla?
This guy right here.
Yes, sir. Producing tracks on the Tesla. I'm next up. Thank God, cause he out here blessing us. Beach day with the homies all day. Now we playing manhunt tonight. Okay, yeah, we doing fine. Yeah, we alright. Yeah, we out of mind. And we out of sight. Every day I wake up and it's a fight. But thank God, cause I look and I can see the light. In the darkness, I'm now heartless. I'm full of heart, so you know where I've been at. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Producing on a Tesla.
Let's go.
That's crazy.
Story starts off with
On the way
Jesus
home, baby.
seeing the blind man and now Jesus healing the blind man.
Back in the Fred. About to play some manhunt. Maybe I need that flash, because now I can't even see anything. Alright, chilling. But, hey, I'm gonna get a POV for that whole thing. Alright, so I have to get like a flashlight, get up close. How do you think the game's gonna go? Alright.
This is not fair.
How
The
do you
only
think
person I'm worried about is the guys on the
that really? Okay,
quarters pretty fast.
fair enough.
Shell is like praying for a half marathon, so
Shelkin, yeah. I mean, he's not gonna run out of gas anytime soon. What do you think? What are you thinking, Owen?
We're gonna win.
We're gonna win.
No matter what.
Send me his number.
yeah, I was thinking into a
Heard that. We got dubs. We found 2 people already. We found 2 people, but we're still looking for somebody else.
What she said?
She said maybe you would find us faster if you saw my location. That's wild. China's
And we can't go down that road, right? We can't cross the street. No. I'm currently hiding from them. It's been a fun game so far. I'm probably gonna be first out though. I got slides on. Mission Impossible just got the wages now, right?
Take my time with it, no rushing or something. Flow is kinda crazy, you surely ain't see it coming. Rapping by my pain and my piercing, they seem to love it. I am who I am.
Keep you updated, baby.
But I still see hope. Stumble through, I find my way by, but
Okay, so I want to bring up a big thing. I won't say too much on it yet because I'm not too sure if it's going to happen or not. But something really big is being decided currently, and expect an entire vlog on that Stay tuned. I don't know if that's just me because I've lost weight, but dang!
Isaiah 43, 1 through 3. Fear not, for I have redeemed you. I have called you by name. You are mine. When you pass through the waters, I will be with you, and through the rivers, they shall not overwhelm you. When you walk through fire, you shall not be burned, and the flame shall not consume you. For I am the Lord your God, the Holy One of Israel, your Savior.
So I don't think I showed you guys this yet, but this is obviously a chessboard that my mother got me for Christmas. Let me show you why it is so nice. It's not real marble, but it's a nice finish. It's wood. This is held together by a magnet, and boom, when you open it up, you get this. My name, whole 9 yards. If you know me, you know what this is. That's a deep meaning in my life. If I move this here, boom. Chess piece revealed. These are like listen. These are heavy duty. Really nice. Silver and bronze. These are so nice. It's probably one of the nicest things that I have. And I'm going to treasure it. And I'm also going to beat everybody who I play when I play on this. I'm never going to lose a game when I play this.